Guess what, guys? Vuela! Finally,
I got some dick.
Fine. I'll do it myself.
I'm kind of depressed, but these fucking cats are just like so. I'm gonna fucking go myself.
I began to pass out. Then my head hit the wall. Boom! But I had a...
You guys ready for the party?
Yeah.
The farty parties.
You bitches how to pimp a nigga, make him think you love him, take his money, then you dip on niggas.
My son Anthony, he's hardworking, he lives on his own, has a great job, and he's a loyal guy.
Tell him I'm cute, tell him I'm cute.
He's also very good looking.
Out of you niggas.
I got a real plan.
Right.
When I signed my first deal, I signed the most fuck.
Say, it's giving. Per. You understood the assignment. Hey, friend. I want to be your bestie, so can you hit me up?
Now won't you
Mommy don't know how to sing.
stay with me? I'm finna beat your.
Yeah, I'm just tired today, man.
Tired from what? You ain't done shit.
I'll be crying if I look like that too, bro. That's fucked up what they be doing to y'all. I ain't even gonna hold you, bro. I be saying that's fucked up, like, bro, you probably had the full washing set. Your shit be fire probably if they ain't cut your shit. Fuck it though, bro. It's your life.
Good afternoon, parents. Good afternoon, boys and girls. Shut the fuck up.
Hey, not nice.
No, thank you.
No, thank you.
You need to leave? No, bitch.
Okay.
Oh, he's out. Yeah, he's out.
Wow. Damn. You okay? I'm cool. What? Woo!
Bro, give me a foot massage.
Bro, I'm not giving you a fucking foot
Come on,
massage.
just give me a little foot
Yeah,
massage.
I'm not giving you a foot massage either.
Just threw you on the floor and then left.
And
Dino.
And then run over me. And then run me over. That's why.
What is wrong with Dino?
Fucking Dino.
Oh.
We back at it again with part 2. Go, Grandma, go. Go.
If I buy this, shut the fuck up. Oh, wait, what? Go.
If I make this, you buy me a new pair of jeans.
If I make this, you'll take me wherever I want to go.
Oh, you can hit my phone.
No.
If I make this, you give me that guap guap. It's a different day.
If I make this, shut the fuck up.
If I make this, kiss me right now.
If I make this, you leave me alone.
If I make this, I'll break up with you.
If I make this, I'll break up with you.
Rambo, give me this.
If I make this, I'll break up with you. If I make this, I'll break up with you. If I make this, I'll break up with you.
If I make this, I'm sleeping with another girl.
If I make this, I sleep with another man.
If I make this, I sleep with another girl. Yo! Boy.